Hello everyone. Uh, Today we will solve question number 6 of your exercise 3.3 chapter number 3 trigonometric function. Okay, so here I'm writing the question: cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sine pi by 4 minus x sine pi by 4 minus y. This is given to you, and we have to prove that this is equals to sine x plus y. Okay, so here I'm copying this left hand side of this question. This is cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sine pi by 4 minus x sine pi by 4 minus y. Okay, so this is your left hand side of this question. Now from this you can see that here this whole is, suppose this is your a and this is your b. Cos a into cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, so this is a kind of this cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So as you know that this is a formula of cos a plus b. Got it? So this is a formula of cos a plus b. So as you can see, this side is matching with this side. Okay, and I will just write this one at a place of this. Got it? So your a is this whole term and your b is this whole term. Fine. So your formula will be cos a is pi by 4 minus x plus your b is pi by 4 minus y. So this is your, I'm just converting this into this using this formula. This is your general formula, okay, which you have to use. So pi by 4, this would be pi by 2 minus x. I'm taking common and I'm writing like this. Okay, so pi by 4, this is 45, this is 45, this would be 90. So 90 can be written as pi by 2. And here you can take minus common, so this would be x plus y. So as you know that this is cos, here I am applying this formula, cos pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to sine theta. So this is your theta according to this formula. This is a general formula. Okay, so what you have to do, this would be sine theta. Theta is x plus y. Okay, so this is your right hand side which you have to prove. Hence your LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. This is how you can solve question number 6. Okay, here I am solving your question number 7 of your third exercise. So here this is given to you. Using this you have to prove this. Okay, so I am taking left hand side of this question, tan pi by 4 plus x over tan pi by 4 minus x. Here you have to apply two formulas. first I'm writing here, it is tan A plus B. These are the general formulas. Okay, this is equals to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is your first formula which you will apply in numerator part. Next is tan A minus B, which is equals to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. This is your second formula which you will apply in denominator. Okay, so I am applying this formula in numerator. So your numerator will be tan A is tan A. This is matching with this. So here your A is pi by 4, your B is x. So here I am writing tan A is pi by 4. So tan by pi by 4 I will write plus it is tan B. So B is x. So you will write tan x over 1 minus tan A tan B. That means tan pi by 4 and tan x over, in denominator you have to apply this formula. So this would be tan pi by 4 minus tan x 1 plus tan pi by 4 and tan x. Okay, now this tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 plus tan x over, this would be 1 minus, this is tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 into tan x, you will get tan x over, this is tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1. Fine. Minus, this is tan x over 1 plus tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan x, that would be tan x. Fine. Now after this, what you have to do, one plus tan x 1 minus tan x over 1 minus tan x and 1 plus tan x. So 1 plus tan x over 1 minus tan x. I am just, what you have to do, I am just reciprocating this denominator part. So this 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x you have to write over 1 minus tan x. Okay, you have to just reciprocal this one. Okay, this will come in numerator, this will come in denominator like this. So when you will multiply, you will get 1 plus tan x 1 minus tan x whole square, which is your right hand side. Hence your LHS is equals to RHS, hence proof. So this is how you can solve your question number 7 of this exercise. Now here I am solving the question number 8 of same exercise. Okay, so this is the left hand side, so I am writing this side here. This is cos pi plus x cos minus x over sin pi minus x cos pi plus pi by 2 plus x. Okay, so as you know that cos, this is pi is 180, cos 180 plus x, that is equals to minus cos x. You can see the previous video where I have solved this. So this is the formula. So general formula is cos pi plus theta, that is equals to minus, see I'm writing here, wait, cos pi plus theta, that is equal to minus cos theta. So this is a general formula, so I'm applying this here, into, so this is again a formula, this is cos minus theta, that is equals to cos theta. If there is a minus sign in the angle of cos, so you can write this. This is a formula which you have to learn. Fine. So at the place of this, I'm writing cos x over here. This is sine 180 minus x. So the formula of this is sine pi minus x, that is equals to sine x. So at a place of this, you can write sine x into, this is cos pi by 2 plus theta, that is cos pi by 2 plus theta. The general formula of this would be minus sine theta. So at a place of this, I'm writing minus sine x, because at the place of theta there is a x. So when you will solve this, you will get minus cos square theta over, sorry, not theta, cos square x over sine square x minus. Find this minus and minus will cancel out, and you will get cos upon sine, that is cot square x. So this is your RHS, hence your LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so this is how you can solve your question number 8 of this exercise. Got it? Now here I'm solving your question number 9 of same exercise. Okay, see, I'm copying this question. This is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Okay, and close the bracket. So as you know that the formula of this, so you have to apply the formula of this. So I'm writing all the formulas, that is cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that is equals to sine theta, cos 2 pi plus theta, that is equals to cos theta, cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta, that is equals to tan theta, and cot 2 pi plus theta, that is equals to cot theta only. So you have to apply these formulas. Okay, so the previous video you have to watch where I have derived all these formulas. Okay, so now at a place of this, what I am writing, that is sine theta. This is equal to sine theta, and this is what? Cos theta. Bracket open. This is what? This is your tan theta. Sorry, not theta. It would be x. So it would be x. Tan x plus cot x. Fine. Now this sine x cos x will remain the same. Here at a place of tan theta I am writing sine x. At a place of tan x I am writing sine x over cos x, plus at a place of cot x I am writing cos x over sine x. Fine. So these formulas you have learned in your 10th class also. Now what you have to do, you have to copy sine x cos x. Now you have to take LCM. So after taking LCM, you will get this step. Fine. This into this into this, and denominator you have to write this one. So this is what? This is 1. This and this will cancel out, and sine square x plus cos square x, that is equals to 1. So which is your right hand side? Hence LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proof. Okay, this is how you can solve this question. Got it?